Hi there, so my name's Mark Lester and I look after Southern UK and Ireland for SEKO in the cleaning and hygiene division. I've worked for the company for nearly 3 years now and been in the industry for about 14 years. Today we are at East Anglia Laundry in Peterborough along with Washing Systems, who have recently installed one of the first SEKO WashMulti tops, which is just here on my right. Fantastic dosing system. We're really keen to talk about it today during the video.
I'm Michael Tanner and I'm the Technical Manager for SEKO UK. A little embarrassed to say I've been in the industry now for 41 years, and the purpose of the visit today is to follow up with the installation company and the end user for the first install of the WashMulti top in the UK.
So WSI have been operating here for roughly about 2 years. So WSI is a chemical supplier to commercial laundries, offering full wash house chemical options. With the guidance of SEKO, we looked at options, and with the wash capacity of this customer, they needed something that was robust and able to deliver chemicals in a speedy manner.
The most important thing for me and for SEKO is to get the right dosing equipment into the right application. The key things that I need to know to be able to try and recommend the right unit is the number of chemicals that need to be dosed, the number of washers that we need to be dosing to, and the size of those washers. So long as I have that information, I can generally propose a SEKO central dosing unit that would be most suitable for that application.
The laundry is obviously very busy. It has 10 machines totaling nearly 1,000 kilos with 10 chemicals, so they obviously need a high performance system, and the WashMulti top fits that brief perfectly. It has 2 separate dosing channels and also has the innovative post flush, which delivers the chemical very, very quickly, ensuring the chemical gets into the phase at the earliest possible time.
With the system being a modular based system, it gives us the options to add additional machines if needed as well, and also with it's being hooked up to the internet as well, so it gives us remote access to diagnose things down the phone if necessary, or make alterations if necessary.
Well, all of our WashMulti systems have the SEKO web capability, and the platform has benefits for all of the relevant parties. The end user has the assurity that when they're off-site they can dial in and see the performance of the laundry. The engineers can carry out pre-maintenance checks and preventative maintenance, as well as being able to adjust the system and the functions available. And from SEKO's point of view, we're able to support our customer by being able to dial in and assist them with any changes that they need to make.
We've been working with SEKO approximately over 12 months now, I think, and we find the service very good. Their advice that they give us is genuinely very good. The equipment as well is very reliable, robust and accurate. We can safely install it knowing that it's going to perform when we switch it on, which is very important.